And getting a final look at our forecast today, it's going to be a hot afternoon ahead with feels like temperatures all across central Florida in the triple digits all afternoon long. Maybe one or two isolated showers in our central and western spots, but most of us should stay sunny and dry today. And of course, on the hot side, that dangerous heat continues through Wednesday. Megan.
Kellianne getting a final check of traffic this morning. One crash in Sanford along State Road 429 southbound at Rockhival River Road, only blocking the shoulder this morning. No big delays there. Heading out the door along I-4, clear and quiet so far for your Monday.
Over to First Warning meteorologist Kellianne Klass. We are monitoring some impact weather today, Kellianne, as we're bracing for yet another extremely hot day.
Yeah, Sonica. So our temperatures today are going to feel a lot more like the triple digits. Most of us around 107 to 111. Those feels like temperatures. So starting at 12 o'clock until 7 o'clock this evening, we're under a heat advisory with the exception of interior Flagler County. That is an excessive heat warning. That will be during that same exact time period. So try to take breaks indoors as much as you can. If you have to be outside today, maybe just avoid going outside altogether. We'll have a lot of sunshine today, and if you are staying outside, have that sunscreen. We'll track a few isolated showers west of I-95 this afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon, another round of heat and humidity with feels like temperatures around 107 to 111. Dangerous heat through Wednesday, but still hot for the rest of the week. Megan.
River Road, you can see they're blocking off the shoulder. There's some small delays moving through this area. No lanes are blocked though traveling here along that stretch of State Road 429. This is a line with I-4 and then apart from our tower camera here at WESH 2 at Lee Road. No issues along the I-4 corridor this morning. Traffic picking up the westbound, so those express lanes. We'll save you a couple minutes traveling towards downtown.
If today verifies, it would be the hottest air so far this year, but right now that's about 97 degrees. That was yesterday, actually. Before that, it was 96 degrees for several days. But basically, we're just saying it's going to be a hot stretch. It's going to feel hot this afternoon. It's going to feel like 108 in Orlando, 110 in Bithlo, 110 in Claremont, 107 in Leesburg, 111 in Wildwood. So it's no surprise that we have heat advisories in effect for most of Central Florida, starting at 12 o'clock this afternoon, going until 7 o'clock this evening. But in interior Flagler County, we have an excessive heat warning in effect during that time period as well. And it's all thanks to this ridge of high pressure in control. With that lasting through midweek, we're still looking at impact weather, dangerous heat Tuesday and Wednesday, reaching about 98 and 97 degrees. But of course, those feels like temperatures much warmer. Tuesday, it's going to feel like 108, Wednesday, 106. Thursday, 106 as well. Now, technically, we are in the hottest part of the year with an average temperature of 92.2 degrees. Drops down to 92.1 on August 2nd. That's over a 30-year time period. So even though we're not at 92.2 degrees this afternoon, we're just saying it's the hottest air of the year. So yes, this is in line of where we should be. However, when we talk about averages, this is well above average, and this is really intense heat. Already this morning, it feels like 89 degrees in DeLam, 85 in Wildwood, 90 degrees in Winter Haven, 87 degrees in Titusville, and we're starting off with mostly sunny conditions, just a few clouds from our tower camera network out in Port Canaveral. Today, lots of sunshine, so have that sunscreen handy, and water as well. We'll have just a few isolated showers developing west of I-95. We have that dangerous heat through Wednesday, and we'll still track the heat Thursday, Friday through the weekend, where our rain chances slowly increase this weekend. It's 7:50. Let's get over to First Warning traffic expert Meaghan Mackey.
Kellianne, I'm continuing to monitor a crash in Sorrento this morning along State Road 429. It's on the southbound side, right at Rockhival River Road, blocking off the shoulder here, waiting for those tow trucks to clear their cars involved out of the way. So just slight delays here moving in this area. Make sure you're slowing down and traveling in the left lane if you are moving through that area this morning. No other big issues though. I-4, we are off to a clear start, looking live in Winter Park from our tower camera at WESH 2. This is at Lee Road, looking up towards Maitland Boulevard. No issues on the eastbound side. Westbound traffic a little bit heavier, but you can see those express lanes really not going to save you much time because the delays are not bad this morning. I-4 between Lake Mary Boulevard and Princeton Street. Westbound, we're at 14 minutes. Eastbound, we're at 12.
All right, Megan, temperatures will reach the triple digits again. That's why our weather team is getting you ready to brace for impact weather. And we have First Warning meteorologist Kellianne Klass. And Kellianne, we are talking soaring temperatures.
This is dangerous, Jason. Some locations could feel like 110 to 111. So if you're outside for a prolonged period of time, those heat-related illnesses like heat stroke and the signs of headache, heat exhaustion, things like that, those are more prone on days like today when you're spending all of your time outside. Today it's going to feel like 108 in Orlando, 110 in Claremont, the Villages, 111 in Wildwood, 109 in DeLand and in Sanford. So that's why we have a heat advisory starting at 12 o'clock this afternoon, going until 7 o'clock this evening. And for interior Flagler County, an excessive heat warning in effect. We'll have plenty of sunshine today, so have the sunscreen handy, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. And then this unfortunately is going to continue into tomorrow. All right, let's get over to Megan, who has a check on the roads.
Yeah, Kelly, and there's a crash here in Sorrento, State Road 429 southbound. Traveling through this area of Wekiva River Road, there's been a crash here working to clear on the shoulder. So backups in this area waiting for those tow trucks to arrive. No other big issues though right now for your Monday morning drive. I-4 clear and quiet in downtown Orlando.